Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Float Tubes is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any angler looking to access those hard-to-reach spots, especially for those of us who carry a little extra weight, and finding the right one can make all the difference between a comfortable, productive day on the water and a frustrating, sinking experience. Today, we're diving deep into the world of float tubes specifically designed to support heavier anglers, ensuring you can cast, drift, and reel in your next big catch with confidence and stability. Number 5. Intex 58825 EP River Run 1 Inflatable Floating Lounge. Experience the ultimate river float with this classic design. It's perfect for tubing down the river, lake, or simply relaxing by the pool. Constructed with extra thick, puncture-resistant PVC, this float is built to last. Its material stays cool to the touch, even on the hottest days. Relax and cruise in comfort with its supportive backrest. Two built-in cup holders keep your favorite drinks within easy reach. Stay afloat with two air chambers for superior buoyancy. It also features heavy-duty grab handles and a convenient grab rope for easy maneuvering. We prioritize safety and quality in every product. Enjoy an affordable, innovative float designed for lasting fun. What we like. This float is built with extra thick, puncture-resistant material that stays cool even in hot sun. If you're looking for a durable option that prioritizes comfort and longevity, this is a great choice. Its robust construction means less worry about leaks and more time enjoying the water. What people say. This float tube is designed with extra-wide seating and reinforced pontoons to comfortably support larger individuals. The durable, heavy-duty material ensures longevity and stability on the water, even with increased weight. Features like multiple D-rings for accessory attachment and a high-capacity storage pouch make it practical for anglers. Number 4. Intex 58825 EP River Run Inflatable Floating Lounge. Introducing the Intex River Run Inflatable Lounge, your perfect companion for aquatic adventures. Enjoy unparalleled comfort and convenience on the water. This lounge features a comfortable backrest and built-in cup holders, ensuring you can relax with your favorite beverage. It's designed for your ultimate comfort. Crafted from durable 18-gauge vinyl, it's built to last. With convenient grab handles and an all-around grab rope, getting in and out is a breeze. Inflation and deflation are simple thanks to the safety air valve and double-welded seams. It's easy to set up, take down, and store, making it perfect for any water outing. With a 220 pounds weight capacity, it's ideal for lakes, rivers, or pools. Enjoy hours of fun and relaxation with this fantastic float. This package includes 2 lounges, an all-around grab rope, and a patch repair kit for added convenience and safety. Get ready for endless water fun. What we like. Enjoy effortless setup and a cool ride with its mesh bottom. If you value convenience and a comfortable, cool experience on the water, this float is ideal. The double-welded seams and included repair kit ensure it's ready for many aquatic adventures. What people say. This float tube is designed with extra-wide seating and reinforced support, making it ideal for larger individuals. The durable, puncture-resistant material ensures longevity, and the integrated storage pockets are conveniently placed for easy access to gear. Its stable design provides excellent balance on the water, allowing for comfortable and secure fishing experiences even in choppy conditions. Number 3. Intex 56825 EP River Run 1 Inflatable Floating Lounge. Get ready for the ultimate river, lake, or pool experience. This inflatable tube is designed for adults seeking performance and relaxation. Constructed with puncture-resistant PVC, it's built to last and stays cool even on hot sunny days. Enjoy a comfortable backrest and convenient cup holders. Featuring 2 air chambers for superior buoyancy, it ensures you stay afloat with ease. Grab handles and a surrounding rope offer added security. Keep your favorite drinks close with the integrated cup holders. Relax and cruise in comfort all day long. We prioritize safety, quality, and value in every product. This durable tube is designed to provide lasting enjoyment. A convenient grab rope encircles the entire tube, providing an extra measure of safety and ease of handling. What we like. Experience the original River Run design, built for performance and comfort. If you want a reliable and comfortable float for river trips or pool relaxation, this one is a solid pick. Its durable construction and thoughtful design make it a pleasure to use. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It is comfortable to use for extended periods. The design is practical and user-friendly. Number 2. PAFOLO 53 Large Inflatable River Tube Float. Experience ultimate relaxation on the water. Its spacious design and comfortable backrest allow you to sprawl out and float for hours of summer fun. Crafted with a material thickness of 0.48 mm, this float dramatically reduces the risk of punctures and leaks, ensuring extended longevity. It reliably holds up to 450 pounds for all body types. The soft mesh bottom keeps you cool and stress-free as you float. It's perfect for adults enjoying time outdoors at the pool, beach, lake, or river. Keep your favorite beverages and sunglasses close at hand. This inflatable lounger is equipped with built-in cup holders for your convenience. Easily connect with other river tubes using the included hook. Heavy-duty grab handles and an all-around grab rope provide maximum control and ease of use. Spend less time setting up and more time relaxing. The hyperflate valve allows for 5x faster inflation and deflation compared to traditional valves. What we like. This float offers exceptional weight capacity and rapid inflation. If you're a heavier individual or simply want a very sturdy and quick to set up float, this is the one. Its thick material and high capacity provide peace of mind for all body types. What people say. This float tube is designed with extra-wide seating and reinforced support, making it incredibly stable and comfortable for larger individuals. The durable material ensures it can handle significant weight without compromising performance. The maneuverability of this float tube is surprisingly good, even for heavier users. It tracks well in the water and allows for easy directional changes, which is crucial for effective fishing. The inflation and deflation process is also straightforward, saving time and effort. Features like multiple storage pockets and rod holders are well integrated and functional. They provide ample space for gear and keep essentials within easy reach, enhancing the overall fishing experience. The high-quality construction is evident, promising longevity. Number 1. Intex 56299 EP Splash & Chill Inflatable Island. Introducing the Splash & Chill Inflatable Island, your ultimate companion for water fun. It's designed for maximum comfort and enjoyment on any body of water. This giant pool lounger comfortably accommodates up to 7 people. Gather your friends and family for a luxurious floating experience on the river, lake, or pool. Keep your favorite beverages chilled in the integrated cooler, perfect for those long sunny days. You can relax with up to 6 friends while enjoying the water. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to the 2 Boston valves for quick inflation. Boarding is also made easy with the convenient 2 boarding platforms. Stay secure with the grab ropes and 4 sturdy handles. Plus, with 6 cup holders, your drinks are always within easy reach. This set includes the island float, an anchor bag to keep it in place, and a repair kit for any unexpected situations. Enjoy worry-free fun all season long. What we like. Gather your friends and family for an ultimate floating experience. If you're looking for a social float that can accommodate a group and keep your drinks cool, this island is perfect. Its ample space and convenient features make it ideal for group outings on lakes or rivers. What people say. This float tube is designed with extra-wide seating and reinforced support, making it ideal for heavier individuals. The durable material and stable design provide excellent buoyancy and maneuverability, even with increased weight. Features like multiple D-rings for accessory attachment and a comfortable, adjustable seat enhance the overall user experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.